What's going on, guys? It's Dr. Kris. Have you guys been suffering from tightness in your neck from looking at your phone and working on your computers for hours on end? Getting tightness in your low back and knots on your shoulders from sitting for long periods of time? I really want to give you guys some tips to really refresh that body. Tips called Spinal Hygiene. What this does, it actually pushes nutrients throughout your entire spine. It pushes blood into your working muscles, allows you to really be relaxed and comfortable in your body throughout the entire day. Here's some exercises. The first exercise, we're gonna look straight up and straight down as far as we can go. This is just like we're saying yes. You're gonna do this 3 times, and you're gonna start to feel that your neck is gonna warm up. This next one, we're gonna be turning our heads from side to side as far as we can go. You can do this 3 times, and you should start to feel that your neck is gonna feel a lot more relaxed. The last exercise for the neck is going to be lateral flexion. Do this nice and gently 3 times. You might hear or feel some cracks or pops, but that's totally fine. To warm up our back, start with your feet shoulder width. Begin to bend forward and backwards 3 times as far as you can go. This should wake up all those muscles that support your spine. Remember to take some nice deep breaths as you go through these movements to get the most out of this quick workout. The next exercise is going to utilize the transverse abdominals, a major contributor to helping your back to twist and turn. You want to rotate your back 3 times with full range of motion. This will make your back feel nice and loose. The last spinal hygiene exercise is going to be lateral flexion of the back. Do this 3 times while keeping your core nice and tight, and by the end of these exercises, your spine should feel fully refreshed. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below.